Hello, fellow investors. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 tools that will help you invest like smart money does. The first tool is Super Investor's Portfolio Overview. With this tool, you can get an understanding of the super investor holdings activity and get stock ideas based on that. For instance, we can go directly to Metrics Asset Advisory. We get to this page and we instantly see top 10 holdings and the portfolio concentration, portfolio value, and the portfolio size. But the most interesting thing is here. We instantly see holdings and what is the weight of each stock in the portfolio. But in addition to that, we can screen for activities of the fund and understand what were the total moves in this quarter. We can filter those activities by adds, cuts, and new buys and new sells to understand how the fund adds to its winners. For instance, this fund added quite a position to PepsiCo, to Starbucks, and like a very big addition to Target Group Corp, like 170%, that's a lot. But also we can get an understanding of new positions that the fund initiated, for instance, Applied Materials or AST, which is hot right now. That gives us ideas that we can get more deeper into those stocks with the search function that we have on the platform. And also new sales is a tell because when super investors, smart money exits the position, that usually means something. They tend to have insider information to allow those moves. For instance, this quarter there were no new exits for the fund, but in Q1 it exited United Health, but the United Health position, which currently faces a lot of problems, and it might be a tell. The second tool is Insider Transactions Tracker, and that's a very powerful tool because we get the feed of all the news of all the new insider transactions, which is usually a good signal because we can also filter by transaction type. Let's say we want only buy transactions, and we want to we can screen for high quality companies, undervalued companies, or the companies that trade at their highs and lows. Let's say I want undervalued companies and insider transactions with a buy. It thinks a little bit and then spits out lots of stocks and insider transactions of undervalued companies with a buy. It usually means something, and if I want to get deeper, I can go to those individual names and analyze them further. So I'm going to show you the third tool that will help you do that. So UPS called my attention. I want to go to UPS Investor Relations. It's going to open me a separate page, separate investor relations page that contains lots of information on UPS and lots of smart money activities that I need for my analysis. So that's our investor relations section. Lots of materials here. The thing I'm focused right now is this hedge fund activity, because I want to understand how in general hedge funds, thousands of them, initiate new buys, new sells, whether there are more new buys than new sells or more trims than exits. That's something interesting and usually means something. For instance, we get this overview for UPS and we can make our judgments based on that. We also have institutional investor activity for this company. So this is like a super investors tool that we saw, but aggregated for each stock. Also insider trading volumes summarized and latest insider transactions for this stock. So we can see that there were a few buys like recently, and last year there were also buys. So these are main tools to analyze companies like smart money does. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a like and write in the comments what you found most valuable. See you.